Hi guys, do you want to learn handstand? Cartwheels is a great stepping stone towards learning your handstand. In this video, Ilona is going to cover how to do them and how to use them to work towards your handstand practice. This is all a part of our course, Upside Down in 30 days. So for now, enjoy the video.
So today we'll be exploring around cartwheels, and if you already know how to do your cartwheels, you can skip this video and go to the next exercise, or you can actually do 5 cartwheels so you can work on feeling what it feels to fall sideways, because this is one way that we can transition out of the handstands when we're falling. This is teaching you how to fall. If you've never done a cartwheel, first of all, let me show you what it is and then stay here so we can work together on how you can get there. So basically it's starting sideways, both hands out, and tack, 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 rolling yourself and coming to the other side. I don't expect you to know how to do this right away if you're completely new to cartwheel. But what I want you to do is bend your knees, one hand down, other hand down, lift one foot, and then see with your hips if you can jump to the other side. So that was a very bad example because I fell very heavily. Let's challenge ourselves and think that there's a baby sleeping in the room and that we have to land super lightly, right? So bending one knee, one hand down, leg up, and light arrivals, okay? My legs were pretty high up this time. I don't expect you to have your legs going that high. What I want you to feel is just to understand how you can shift your hips from one side to the next. Okay, so we can do just some little jumps, not going high with the legs. They can even stay really low, like that, okay? And we're gonna do this 5 times on each side, because yes, one side we're good at, and then I'm like, oh, going into the other direction, it doesn't feel that great, so we have to work on it. So, depending on how you are, how you feel comfortable, going into your cartwheel is also a challenge for the hips, because depending on what we're used to, I see some of my students doing this with the cartwheels when they go for it, which what it does for them is that they fall out of the cartwheel, but not to the side, they fall to the back. So as much as possible, keeping your hips squared, and then just playing a little bit around. One hand down, other hand down. When this hand is down, and lift my feet and shift my hips to the other side. And like this, okay? 1. Obviously in each direction, so that's 1. And then 2. Other direction. Yes, and as we progress, and if you feel comfortable, you can start to elongate your legs a little bit more. 3. Whoop. 4. And one last time in each side. 5. Wow, I'm getting everywhere. And last one. Whee! Good, so that was your cartwheel exercises. Make sure that you do these at least 5 a day in each direction, so we get comfortable of this practice, and when we fall out of the handstand, we can use the technique and all of the muscle memory that we've already worked on building during these little practices.
Hi, hope you enjoyed the video. If you're looking to master your head and handstand, we have a super comprehensive course called Upside Down in 30 days that will take you through the alignments and the muscles and everything you need to prepare and protect for these inversions. Click on the link below to check it out. And if you haven't gotten it yet, this is the Play Pause Be deck. This is an amazing tool to help you create your own sequences for your self-practice or for practicing with others. Click on the link below to learn more. Have a great day.